Alright, so it's hot as fuck, but we finally got the facade up. It looks pretty fucked up. I still need to tweak it and stuff. Like the fucking window thing's all fucked up and it's dirty and I need to clean it and do some shit. I think what I'm gonna do this year is I'm gonna make the windows look boarded up. I don't know yet for sure, but fuck yeah, we're starting the build. So build day one, let's fucking do it. And obviously, like last year, I'll show you that when you open the door, it's fucking nothing. I got all the rebar holding them up right now, because it's windy as hell out here. But facade's up. I got that done yesterday, like towards the evening. I woke up early today so I could start taking the shit off of these panels so I can start putting panels up. I'm gonna do this one first though, because I'll probably take this one down and then undo that one so I can get to the 4x8 ones. The first room's gonna be pretty big, so hopefully I can start getting shit done. But yeah, pretty much fucking gonna be going at it crazy from here on out. So expect way more videos than last year because we're actually fucking gonna get Wi-Fi out here. So I won't have to go all the way to fucking the city to upload my videos. So anyway, hope you guys' haunts are going well. Build day one.
Oh, my name is Selena. Nick is my husband. And I do scare acting. Yeah. Done. That's it, right?
And you're gonna be helping out with the vlog?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Tell them about how you push me to film more because my videos are always so short.
Oh, true. I do.
What do you mean my videos are short?
Your videos are short. They're like 2 minutes long. Especially your vlogs.
So you're telling me this year we're gonna have
like 20-minute
crazy amounts of vlogs? And we'll have Wi-Fi, so we'll be vlogging a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. It's fun. Oh, so last year, saw an ad on Facebook, right? Saw this ad that it was like, oh, we're looking for scare actors. And I'm like, that'd be fun, because I don't do anything besides stream on Twitch. So I hit up my husband, Nick, and yeah, that's how I got into this stuff, I guess.
So if you guys go back to last year's walkthrough video, where it's like the look inside the haunt, when you go in the cemetery part, you can actually see Selena acting. I forgot to say that earlier. In her cloak, laughing and shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Content, babe, content.
Gotta get one of these walls down. I think we gotta have that upside down because this side's like funny.
Content.
What do you guys know about moving 8x8 walls by yourself? You ready?
Ready.
Oh. Fuck. God, I hate these trees.
Stuck on the tree.
Fuck. Man, stick.
Stick?
Alright, watch this wall and make sure it doesn't fall.
Okay. What?
Get that motherfucker here. You're gonna want to film this part. I gotta cut part of the panel with a chainsaw.
Okay.
What the fuck is that?
Why are you poking the ground like
I
that?
think there's a pipe down there. Alright, hold up.
Okay.
Let me go get the chainsaw, but I'll bring it up here and I'll show them what I gotta do.
Okay. Oh, I'll take that actually. Okay.
So basically, we made these panels last year 4x8 with plastic over them. So like the plywood doesn't fit perfectly on them. So see how it's overlapping right here? On this side. Over here. It's like overlapping, so I gotta cut this shit off so that panel over there will line up with it and like be able to drill in and shit. So there's not this big ass gap. But I'm gonna use a chainsaw to do it, so it's gonna be sketchy as shit.
Okay. Hey, Shock. See what he's doing in here. Oh, hi.
Well, I had to get my hat.
you need to get it here?
What? You're not filming this, are you?
No,
Show
never.
them this toxic effects.
Did it die?
No? It's
Black
just,
screen.
yeah, it just, whenever you're recording for a long time. It's fuel efficient.
Pumpkins.
Alright, so let's connect this speaker, and then we'll get to honking. Alright, don't be me. Fucking line up your panels and build them the right way the first time so you don't have to do this dumb shit in the middle of the fucking night. Fuck, I missed it. These are basically safety glasses, by the way, so just so you know. Am I sketchy?
Yeah, babe.
Tell me that's not the cleanest fucking cut you've ever seen. Or is it cut fucked up?
I mean, it's a little messed up.
Well, it's better than it was before. What do you want me to do? Take a grinder to it and make it smooth?
Maybe.
Alright.
Don't look at me like that. You're a YouTuber now, babe. You.
20 bucks. Whoever wants this wood. Scrap wood, 20 bucks. Bid now, it'll go fast. Hey, we hold this for a second.
Hold what? Oh.
What?
Nothing.
I fucked up.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, these fucking Walmart screws suck. Half of them are bent. Or am I just shitty at putting screws in?
Yeah.
It's probably a mix of both. That one's gonna have to come out though. How fast are we about to get copywritten for this shit? I don't even give a fuck if we get copywritten. I don't really give a shit about views. The real ones will see it, and that's all that matters. Is it that funny?
Yeah.
Pretty sturdy, pretty sturdy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so now what we gotta do, fucking brace that shit up so this one's like more level and then fix. And then once this one's sturdy, we'll be able to like put a beam up there and that one won't be as fucked up.
Yeah.
You weren't filming that, were you? Fuck you.
I don't think so.
Okay, good.
I don't think so. I don't think
Feel it,
so.
tell them how sturdy it is.
Yeah. If anyone like you know comes crashing through it, they won't be able to crash
Don't blow
through
through
it.
it with a hole in the wall like they did last.
Yeah, like the last time.
Only one fucking group did that, so I guess it's just good luck.
Maybe.
Because those walls we had last year were fucking sketch. Because they were just fucking plastic. This year we got plywood, so ain't nobody fucking with these.
Oh, really? Tell them.
I mean, run into this as hard as you can.
Oh, you do it.
I will whenever we're testing the shit out.
Okay.
Alright, well. These ones are really gonna piss us off because look how like the rain bent, like warped these 2x3s. So like the plywood is hella overlapping, but I'm saving those for the swamp area because I don't care if they look fucked up because it's already gonna be
There's
so.
tape on that one.
It's gonna be so foggy that they won't even be able to tell. That's why I'm saving all the clean ones for like the other rooms. I got more walls over there too. We're actually gonna have to get into those fucking walls because we gotta put a 4x8 right after these panels we're putting up.
I had to see your face.
Watch out for snakes now.
Snakes?
Yeah.
Like rattlesnakes? Or just regular snakes?
Here, you can sit there. Let me see the flashlight.
Okay.
Thanks, Boo.
Do you have night vision on this?
I don't think so.
So you got a GoPro that doesn't have night vision on it?
I don't really know. Why don't you figure it out? I just needed a 2x4. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, never mind. Let's go, Boo. Here, you can maybe flashlight back.
Oh, thanks.
Well, let me hit you with this 2x4 now.
I mean, you already did.
What?
Dull hearts, red skin, dull heart.
This one's gonna go up here. I might hit myself in the head, so be right there. Oh. My sketch.
Maybe.
Where's my drill? I'm gonna do it from the back side. Fuck, I need the ladder. You might have to hold that wall up.
Why don't you fix this first?
Because this has to be sturdy for that to be fixed. You know what I mean? Like this has to be hella sturdy. And I'm gonna put a beam from that one to that one, and that's what's gonna make this wall sturdy. What?
You should put this somewhere.
You done it?
No.
What?
No. Like, I don't know. In the tree?
Okay. Let me see it. I have a head mount for it. You could wear the head mount.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get
Why
that
don't you
shit.
do that? Go!
Tell them about Selena vision.
The POV of a girl?
Yeah.
Point of view of a girl.
Huh?
What? Shut up! Don't laugh at me.
Alright, so this is what you're gonna have to do.
I'm listening. I'm
You
listening.
have to hold that wall up while I screw this shit in. Can you handle this?
Yeah, let me put my phone down. Okay.
Alright, right here. I'll push it up. Just hold it like that. You got it?
Yeah. Quit! You ass.
Alright, take 2. Sorry, we had technical difficulties.
Not even. It died.
Her.
I didn't do anything.
No, it's good. It didn't even die though. Like, I put the same battery back in it and then it said it was on 70%. So I don't know what the fuck happened.
There's ghosts out here, babe. You know this. That's probably the ghosts.
Show them again how sturdy this is.
Oh.
How sturdy is this right here though?
It's a flimp noodle. The flip noodle. Switch. Hey, Shock.
Sponsor?
Maybe they maybe trying to get them to be sponsored.
Alright, this is what you have to do.
Yeah.
You're going to hold this up while I put a beam on there.
Again?
This one's going to be hard because you have to like really fucking hold it up because this is how it's going to be permanently. Just throw it. I can't do anything on this.
Okay.
Alright, you gotta hold it like this. Like, held it like. Oh, fuck, it's hard. Alright, watch your head, babe. Fuck, this is good.
Just climb on the thing.
Oh, hey! Alright. Alright, hold up. Look, I broke the bit. I forgot I broke the bit.
Oh my god.
Think you'll be able to
You.
handle it? Hold on. Give me like 1 minute.
I'm counting. Counting.
This one's corrected and it'll be corrected now.
Wait, explain again?
So like, we put that wall in, but like, we couldn't really tell because this one was slouching. But this wall needs to be tilted this way to make this like level. See how it's like that one's off from this one? Those should be like parallel. But what I'm thinking is, we just leave it like that. And whenever we put this wall right here, and then we'll make this one parallel. So like, that one will be a little bit slanted, but this one will go straight. And then once it goes over here, and it turns down that way, it'll be corrected. You know what I'm saying? Or unless you want to fucking undo it and we have to...
No, I'm saying.
I don't know, I kind of want to fucking fix it. What do you think?
Tell me your OCD without telling me your OCD.
Well, it's hella off. It just, that wall needs to come over just like, I don't know, 20 degrees maybe? This is why you use washers, because like this screw got all fucking twisted up in there, so now I have to cut the tarp up. Is that sketch? Oh, there's probably spiders and shit in here and everything. There goes one piece. Oh god, watch out. There might be snakes and shit, man. Put it down there. Fuck. That fucking flashlight is so almost dead. Oh, what the fuck is that? Ew, bring it over here. What the fuck?
Probably slugs.
Alright. Ew. Ew. God, that flashlight sucks. My flashlight? Way more of a bitch to get on. To like open up because there's shit screwed into it. Like wood screwed into it. It's so slimy though. Oh, fuck. Is that sketch?
That's ghetto, babe.
What do you want me to do? I can't see shit.
Well,
Is that what we get for working night shift? And not charging the flashlight?
yeah.
Ew. It's so wet.
Yeah. It's usually like that, you know?
Alright,
You did it.
let's go.
I know.
Wow.
Gotta get the behind the scenes.
Get this sweat.
Ew.
Here, watch out. My man.
Yeah, push me out of the way.
Look at this. So now we can charge all our shit when we go to bed. Fuck, I think it'll only fit on there though. Oh, wait.
You did it.
So now we can do the drill and all of our other shit, so. Really big brained, really big brained.
Yeah.
Here, you can use this for tonight. Another headpiece for you. Put that on you.
No.
Here, wait.
Hi.
Why are you filming me?
Cause,
Content?
yeah. That's hot.
What?
That's hot.
How?
That was hot.
Alright, nice. Alright, so, like I was saying, it's pretty fucked up. It'll dry out though, it'll dry out. So like, see how this one's a little at an angle? We were gonna take it down and fix it, but we didn't want that wall to slouch again. So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna make this one straight and make it back level, because that's the only wall that's off a little bit. And it'll just fucking, once this one's corrected, the rest of the walls will be corrected. We just gotta make sure we don't fuck up like that again. This is the best security you'll ever get, just a sign. No actual cameras, just a sign. We actually have cameras now though, so don't try to rob us. Like, I'm serious, we actually have cameras now.
Really?
We're not as dirty as we were last year. We're not this dirty anymore. Well, now we can actually put this up and it'll actually mean something, but last year we just had this up, but we didn't have cameras, just to spook people, so.
You have to throw it like that.
Alright, let's see that light fade. Hello. Actually, I'm gonna tell you about it once we get over there, because it'll make more sense. So let's carry this over there. Are you gonna video me struggling to carry these 8x8s every time?
Yes. Yeah. Why'd you make that sound?
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let me prop this up and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Oh. Okay. So look.
Mm-hmm.
See how this wall isn't like double-sided? How it's not plywood on this side either? So what's gonna happen basically is like when they go through this doorway right here, it's gonna just be like, so it'll be like, see how it's the back side on that one of this panel? Like this. The flat side is gonna be facing out this way because the wall is gonna run against that side. But the reason we're not double-siding these ones is because this is gonna have slats on it and it's gonna feel like you're behind the walls through these hallways right here, like slats and cobwebs and jute and shit. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
If
good.
it doesn't make sense, go back and watch our 2017 vlog, and it's kind of be similar to like the second hallway. Only real fans know about that though. Oh. 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 Fuck. Oh, fuck.
Babe.
I think there's a spider on that.
Something bit you?
No, like I just felt something crawling.
Oh. Well, yeah, you just moved his home.
Are we getting big copyright strikes?
Eh.
Ah! I hate this tree. Ah. This your song?
Yeah.
Alright.
Chin.
Oh. Is that sketch?
It looks
I
fine.
think I'm gonna have to cut that piece of the chainsaw.
Yeah.
Let me go see.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
It's only like down on that side because that's where it's like warped. So if I break it up over there, it might be okay. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be like that. That'll be better anyway. Will you hand me that drill? That driver.
It's literally right behind you.
Oh. It's a driver actually. Don't look at me like that. Oh.
What does Lewis say, babe?
Not saying.
Say it! Say it! Say it! Babe. What does he say?
Oh, fuck.
Babe.
What? What does he say?
What did he say?
You say it.
No, you! Sounds better out of your mouth. I see it.
Not yet.
Oh.
Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What? I don't like to toot my own horn, but this is pretty sturdy, if you ask me. Alright, turn it. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to have church pews, like 2 or 3. Look at that fucking June bug. Alright,
Leave him alone. He's living his best life.
So I'm going to put church pews this way, and they're going to be like diagonal. So what they're going to do is they're going to walk in, and they're going to have to like weave around the church pews a couple times. Probably going that way, because it'll go around this way. The coffin, or not the coffin, it's a casket. There'll be a casket, and this will basically be like a funeral scene and shit. So, you know, church pews, spooky music, and we'll probably have that chandelier in here. I'll probably get a long beam to run across the middle, and then we'll have the fucking sheep people sitting in the pews, so they'll have to walk in between them. I'm thinking about putting an air cannon under one of them, so like when they're walking through the middle of the 2 church pews, it'll spook the shit out of them. Does that sound spooky?
Yeah.
But yeah, this room's big as fuck. I mean, it's gotta be a 16 by 16. Yeah. Those are that's a 16 foot wall, that's 16 foot wall, so yeah. This wall is probably a little bit shorter than 16, but shit. Last panel of the night. Should I show them what time it is? Do you have my phone?
I don't have your phone. It's over there.
Alright,
It's
we'll
like
show
3. Invisible snake.
You?
Invisible snake.
Oh, fuck.
There he goes again. Trouble.
You should like stay clear of these. Like, make sure you're far back enough that if they fall, you won't get hit. That's what I'm saying. 'Cause that would be tragic as fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck!
What was that?
I felt a web.
Web.
Oh.
Hi.
Sing it, babe.
Babe,
What? What?
it's like bent.
What's bent?
It's bent.
What's bent?
It's bent. It's bent.
It's probably warped.
It's bent. It's bent, babe.
I like it. Let's go to bed.
Hi.
Let's show them the time real quick.
Right here.